so now I'm going to tell you the ingredients that I'm using for my smoothie bowl. Keep in mind that you do not have to use all the ingredients that I use. You can use whatever your heart desires. Each smoothie bowl is different for me. I always add different ingredients for each one. I do not use specific measurements. I kind of just put in whatever I want of each ingredient. Also, make sure that you're using frozen fruits because those will ultimately make the smoothie bowl more thick. I also use a few ingredients that you're probably like, yuck, that probably does not taste good, but trust me, you cannot taste it. So let's start off. I am using a Go-Gurt. I'm also using some cocoa powder. I'm also using ginger, turmeric, and cayenne, which is like, you're probably like, that's disgusting, but you can't even taste it whatsoever, and it's pretty good for you, so yeah. Chia seeds, some chocolate whey protein powder, some coconut water. Also, it seems like I use a lot, but it's modified now. Some spinach, frozen spinach, oats, and some frozen fruit. So we're gonna start off with some coconut water. You don't wanna pour too much in or else it'll be too liquidy, and you can add more later if you need to. Now it is time to add a good amount of frozen fruit of your choice. Next, I'm just adding some frozen spinach. And now our Go-Gurt. Next, I'm adding a little more than a pinch of oats. Now I'm adding a little spoonful of cocoa powder. Now it's time for a little pinch of turmeric. Next, a little pinch of ginger. And lastly of the spices, a little pinch of cayenne. Next, it's time for a little bit of some chocolate whey protein powder. And last but not least, some chia seeds. Now it is time to start blending. You want your smoothie bowl to be thick, and that can be kind of hard if you don't have enough liquid in a blender like mine. So you can take it out and use a butter knife and kind of smash the frozen pieces up and mix it better. And then you can add more liquid if you need to, and you can keep repeating that process. And then when it looks like your smoothie is getting blended very well, you can flip it over, lid at the top, and your smoothie bowl should be levitating. Just a little disclaimer is that this was definitely one of my more liquidier smoothie bowls, and I should have used a little bit less liquid and more frozen fruit, but it still tastes delicious. Now it is time for the toppings, probably my favorite part. So we're gonna start off with some strawberries and some chia seeds again, and some honey, some chunky peanut butter or whatever type of peanut butter you want, some sweetened coconut. I prefer unsweetened, but this is what we had. And any type of granola that you would like. This was the dark chocolate and red berry. Now you can take your desired toppings and you can design it in a fancy way like I did. This is definitely one of my favorite parts. And there you go. Just like that, you have a really cool, yummy, healthy smoothie bowl to enjoy. Here are a few other smoothie bowls that I have made and created. The one at the end is actually a yogurt bowl that I made. And just like that, it is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and you enjoy your smoothie bowls. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Peace, love, happiness, earth. Peace out.